This video will show you how to set conditional dates and times because we have our weeks set to open every Monday at 5 minutes after midnight. So what you'll do is you'll go into individual courses. Now I've chosen a course that we cloned that we thought we were going to use back in November. So you will see, you go to each week, you click on the week, and you can see right here it says available from November 11th, obviously last year. So what we do to change that within the week, and unfortunately you have to go to each week and each course, you scroll down and you click Edit Section. And then you want to come over here where it says Expand All in the top right. We want the date for week 1 to be February 17th, that's the Monday of our start. So we're going to change this right here. We're going to change it to 2020. And this is actually 10 minutes after midnight. We set all of these 5 minutes after midnight. Blackboard told us that if you put it at midnight exactly, sometimes there can be a glitch. And we have a lot of students that work deep nights, so we like to set everything at 00:05, 5 minutes after midnight, February 17th. So you must come down and click Save Changes. After you do it and the page refreshes, when you look at the top of week 1, you'll see the conditional rule in the gray box available from February 17th, 2020 to 5 minutes after midnight. So you would go through and do the same thing for each week. I want to show you a different scenario. If we go into a course that I cloned from a January start date and it's the same instructor, you still have to go in and check the dates and times. Moodle is pretty smart and it predicts and realizes it was a 6-week course and we had it every Monday at 5 minutes after midnight, but you still need to click on each week and just triple check to make sure that the conditional rule is what we need. We know that week 1 starts on February 17th, 5 minutes after midnight, that's correct. Week 2, February 24th, 5 minutes after midnight, that's correct. Week 3, March 2nd, 5 minutes after midnight, again correct. Let's check on week 4, it should be March 9th, 12:05 a.m. Week 5, March 16th, okay, this says 1:05. I do take the time to scroll down and change it to make it 5 minutes after midnight. Again, a lot of our students work the night shift, so everyone knows our course is open at 5 minutes after midnight every Monday. So again, the date is correct, so we're just going to adjust that time on this one. So you have to let the course populate, and mine takes a while because it has so many videos and I'm enrolled in every course. But as soon as it opens, we'll come over here to the top right. We'll click Expand All. And this is the way you would do it even if there were no dates. And you just have to remember to click on it, put 00:05, triple check the date is correct. You would scroll down and click Save. And then when the page refreshes, you check the grayed out bar to make sure that it shows the updated time that you desired to put in or date. So if we can get mine to load. My internet's a little slow today. Come on. We'll get a couple more seconds. If not, it's the same process that we did in the other class. But again, with every single class, you want to click on each week. I just usually have a piece of paper beside me to remind me of the dates for the 6 weeks. And then I can make sure that the times are correct. And I keep a checklist to make sure that I did not miss any classes. So while that's loading, what I can show you is my spreadsheet if it will load and show you how I track this. Oh great, my spreadsheet's closed. Let's see. Well, I don't think it's this one, but we will see. Nope. Okay, well, I'm not going to look for my spreadsheet. What you can do, though, is this is still loading. I guess with all the snow, my internet wants to be really slow. Okay, so we know it's March 16th. This is what we wanted to switch. We're going to switch this to 00. Again, you come down here bottom left, click Save Changes. The page will refresh. And I'll send you my tracking sheet so you can see how I do track that to make sure that I don't miss anything. So that was week 5 we checked, and then you would just check week 6, which obviously this needs the same change. So if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.